Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be creating an organizer that doubles as room decor. After the recording that you just saw, I did about 2 more coats, so we'll just say 4 coats total. Don't worry, the scissors didn't hurt my cat, he was sick. My cat was like, hey, let me give you a hand. Or a paw. It's not for me to say you love. Stop. Go with the butterfly, you know how we do. It's stop. Okay, it's gone. Here's me using the scissors to punch a hole. I made sure to twist the ends of the yarn and then put a dab of nail polish on it, just to make the process a bit easier. So I finished the centerpiece of the ornament, and by then my cat was well rested and out of the way. This part took just about forever. It was so hard to tie the yarn around the mason jar and the frame, and it just kept slipping, and it was so strenuous and stressful. But you know, all's well that ends well. It turned out fine. Shh! Here's a sneak peek of how I'm going to hang the project. You could just leave it as it is, or add some things to make it a jewelry hanger and an organizer. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and please have a beautiful day. Bye!